Hey, how are you today? So today I have a completely unplanned, spontaneous video where I'm just going to ramble endlessly about I don't even know what, but we're due for a video. We haven't had one in a few days. So I'm just doing it. Even though it's not about anything. So yeah, let's hopefully I find something. Actually, there's a few things I want to tell you about. Super exciting. I think you may remember when I told you about a documentary film that I was working on, Gray is the New Blonde. Well, Gray is the New Blonde is having its world premiere Thursday, January 23rd. And I'm going, and everybody's getting super duper gussied up, which is really exciting. It's always fun to get dressed up. It's going to be just a sea of silver-haired women in all their finery. And of course, I've still got a cast, which means I'll be gussied up, but I want to I like to do a dress-up thing, but got to be budget-minded right now, and I'm in a cast. So I am wearing a vintage dress that I've had in my closet for about 25 years, and I wear it about once every 5 years or so. And it's kind of, it's very tight when I put it on. I could get it zipped up, but it was like, oh yeah, don't be eating a pizza anytime. Oh dear, we're having pizza for dinner tonight. Well, my pizza's not too bad because I eat it without cheese. By the way, if you eat pizza without cheese, try it with avocado on it. It is amazing. Yeah, you have to do your own avocado when you get home, when you bring the pizza home, but it's amazing. Okay, I digress. In fact, I think I've always said that that's what I was going to get on my headstone, but I digress. But now I don't think I want a headstone. I think I want to be buried as a tree. Okay, this is rambling and going nowhere. Anyway, super excited about Gray is the New Blonde. There are still tickets, I believe, if you are in the Los Angeles area. It's going to be 4 to 6:30 p.m. on Thursday, the 23rd. I will drop a link down below. And for those of you who are not in the Los Angeles area, I do believe that there is a DVD. I think I saw the director had a video on Facebook a few days ago where she was talking about a DVD. So I'm going to do a little research when I'm done telling you about this and put links down below for you because it's very exciting. It's I'm so excited to see this. I'm so proud of Victoria for having a vision and making it come true. And it took years, but she's done it. And I want to encourage you, whatever your vision is, to not lose heart. Sometimes things take a long time and you think, oh, well, I'm just going to get that quickly. And then you don't get it quickly, but persevere. Keep at it. Whatever that thing is, getting that, scarf knitted, keep at it. Just a little bit at a time. Which brings me to my other thing. Colby was just diagnosed with diabetes. So we are having some challenges here in this house trying to test him. I cannot give him insulin until I test him, and he is being very difficult to test. You have to prick their ear, and I try it and try it and try it, and I have yet to get enough blood for a sample. And then he hates me and he runs away from me. So, well, we had a little interruption in the video there. I apologize for that. You didn't notice it so much as I did. So I was talking about Colby. So I went to the felinediabetes.com to get a lot of information, and I've been doing a lot of research and studying and flipping out a little bit, as one might imagine. They have a wonderful message board, and that has really helped soothe my mind. Everyone's just like, keep going, keep going. You will get the hang of testing, but you just keep trying. So I am trying and trying and trying, and I will get the hang of it. And so once again, I guess my message for today is perseverance. Just keep going. You know that we moved a year ago. We moved into this apartment and put Howard's Place on the market. Well, our lease is up and they are raising our rent $1,100. Yes. And we were all like, yeah, that's not happening. We're not doing that. So we think we may have Howard's condo sold. Fingers crossed it goes through. We just hope that this doesn't jinx it. And we're looking for a place. We're house shopping. So that's been taking up a big chunk of time. So I know I said I was going to have all these videos for you when I had the cast on, and I feel like, I don't want you to feel like I was lying to you. I did intend to have a lot more videos than I've had, but, well, we're house hunting, and the cat has diabetes, and I'm trying to learn how to stick him with a pin and test his blood. I've had great success testing my own blood. I've had no success testing Colby's blood. And let's see, what else is going on? The auditions have started again. I am auditioning. It's, you know, when you get the casting notices, they come through, you know, they have the dates when it's going to shoot. And so I knew that I'm getting my cast off on the 24th. So as soon as I started seeing things that were, I'm like, okay, I'll audition with the cast on. They probably won't hire me because they like to see able bodies, but what the heck? So I'm going out on auditions, and it's nice to be exercising my actor muscles again. What else is going on? Oh, I was in a Justin Bieber video. If you checked out the Justin Bieber video for Yummy, you will catch a very quick glimpse of me, and you get a brief glimpse of me dancing. I had a lot of makeup on and my hair was this big, but that makeup artist, oh my gosh, he did such an incredible look on my face. He made my lips so big. He drew them way over. And I just looked at them and I said, you know, I have to tell you, I have been in the business for 30 years and you just drew my lips better than anybody ever has, including me. He was like, wow, thank you. I do really like doing lips. I'm like, well, you do them fabulously. I took a quick picture, but it was after 14 hours on set, and so I don't exactly look my best. This is what I look like after 14 hours on set, and it's not good.
And here I am, home at last. Hello, Colby. It turned out to only be a 14-hour day, but I thought I'd let you look at the makeup, such as my lighting will let me. And oh, look, I've got to try to figure out how to get the false eyelashes off with these nails that are very, very long. And the hair is, well, it was even bigger when I was shooting. And my lips, and you've never seen my lips so big.
What else is going on? Let's see. Oh, I got a blush palette. I know, I should wait and save that for some makeup thing, but I am so excited. Every time I'm on set, the makeup artist always, they've got their eye palettes, they're different palettes, and they always break out a blush palette, and they've got 8 different blushes there. And I was like, ooh. And then I go shopping at Sephora, and I way cheap out. I don't ever invest in a blush palette because I'm like, I'm not going to I only need one blush. I don't need all these blushes. I'm not going to use all of it. I do all of that stuff. But then I always am looking through my blushes, and I always buy them as just like one. I always just get one blush. This one doesn't even look pretty because I gouged it with my fingernail when I opened it. But I usually just buy one blush, and it's usually in a peachy pink, and that is my blush for everything. And Sigma, I always talk about Sigma brushes. They are awesome. They sent me a cheek palette. This is their cheeky blush set, and they are going to be offering it exclusively on QVC. And it's usually like $74. That's what it would retail for. But they're going to be offering it on QVC for $48. I will drop a link down below for whatever information I can for you. But I just wanted to show this to you because I'm super excited. You know, it's one of those things where I want it and I want to buy it. And I never give myself permission to because it always seems like an extravagance. But at $48 to be able to get all of these blushes, I think that is an amazing deal. I think that's a steal. So I mean, realistically, you know I'm going to use this on my eyes. I'm probably going to use this on my eyes and this on my eyes. Well, knowing me, I'll use them all on my eyes. But for $48, this is a whole lot of blush that I'm really gonna have fun with, and it's gonna be on QVC. I'm not sure what days, but I'll put the link down below for you. If you're interested in getting a blush palette, Sigma's gonna have this one on QVC for you. I auditioned a few years ago to be on QVC. They had reached out to my representative and he got me the audition, and so I recorded the audition. I stressed and angst and you know, you have to do it all one shot. There's no cuts because it's for live TV, and I was super excited, and I thought my audition turned out great, and I uploaded it to YouTube and the links were sent and all of that stuff. And do you know that nobody at QVC ever looked at that audition? All the agony I went through trying to get it up in a timely fashion, making sure that it was perfect, going over and over and over again. I spent ages working on it. I spent a long time working on it and uploaded it to YouTube, and it never once got looked at. Yeah. You know, just for fun, I think I had to do a self-tape for the audition for the Justin Bieber video. And I'm gonna have to re-edit it and take the music out that I was dancing to, because copyright stuff. I'll put in some not very exciting music. But maybe it would be kind of fun to show you my audition for the Justin Bieber music video. They wanted people that were outrageous and over the top and fabulous. And then they wanted us dancing, and they wanted to see us eating with gusto and possibly getting messy with it because there may be a food fight. So I took all of those things and I made my audition. So I'll throw my audition here on the end of it with different music, and you can check that out if you want a good laugh. And on that note, I think we'll stop. I just wanted to check in and say hi. I feel like I haven't been visiting with you enough, and I felt guilty for that. But that's what's going on in my world, and I hope that you are wonderful, and I hope that no matter what is going on, you persevere. Don't let little things bog you down. Look towards the big picture, look long distance. Sometimes you'll have stumbling blocks, and this will happen and that'll happen, and you'll feel like I'll never achieve my dream. But whatever it is you want to do, persevere. keep going for it. I love you bunches. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. I will talk to you very soon. Don't look at my nails because I really need to have them done and my appointment's not until tomorrow morning.
Action.
I've been waiting all day for this. What shall I have first? Life's short, eat dessert first. It's so good. I'm Monique Parent, and the character that I have selected is sort of a hot mess. And something interesting about myself. I have a 4-foot cat wheel, and I trained my cat how to use it. I can and will attach footage for your entertainment pleasure.